Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking banga soup. Yes, banga soup. I use dried catfish, I use stockfish, I use cow skin, I use turkey and meat as well. Yes, you can use more than this, but these are the things I use. Those are the plantains that I use. Yes, and the pan kernel that I use, I'm going to show it in my next video. Yes, I'm going to show you in my next video. Now I blended my pepper together with onions. Yes, and this is the palm kernel. Yes. Please stay tuned and watch my video. Please guys, kindly comment, kindly subscribe, kindly like. I'm going to put down the ingredients in my video. You can check, yes, if you want to try it. And I love this soup because you can use it to eat anything you want. Yes, it's actually nice, guys. It's actually nice. Please comment on my page. I love you guys. Bye.